This is Eric Muaddith, Muaddith.com. Let's take a look at crude oil by way of the XLE. You can see here trading at about, crude oil is trading at about $60 or 59.80. USO trading at about 12.42, slightly down for the day. Now let's take a look at the XLE, which tracks energy sector, and I'm gonna draw a couple of lines here that give us an insight into what is going on here. We take the daily closing high there, this daily closing high, extend the line, and you can see that we are within potential resistance on this daily price channel topside resistance line. So of course we know that if the stock or the ETF is to move higher, it would need to clear this line and move higher. Alright, so that's the challenge right now. The more we see resistance, the more we can anticipate that continued resistance eventually does lead to rollover lower. We can take a look at the RSI and draw a line connecting RSI highs. Should be something like that. And again, we see the same thing. If the energy sector is going to move high in the short term, this is a challenge, needs to move above that line. Otherwise, continued resistance here does mean that we roll over. Now we can also draw another line, which is a backtest line. And again, let me show you where the line comes from first. We connect this low here and this breakpoint right there and draw our line. What we're going to get is a uniformity, a single line, something like that. And we can see that this line has been backtest resistance area here, resistance again here on a short-term basis, and now we've hit that line and we're pulling back. There is a third line that I can draw based on the uniformity principle. I'll draw it something like that. And what this line does, it captures this breakpoint during this pullback area where we see prices went down, of course. From the breakpoint there, we rolled over for a short-term swing trade lower. We take that breakpoint of the RSI here and draw our uniformity line as such. And again, we can see here we've hit that level, and as of right now we're showing resistance. So visually, that is a challenge for crude oil. Resistance means lower prices in the short term. A movement above the resistance lines on the RSI and in terms of the price is what the bulls want to see. Otherwise, right now, the look that we are getting is multiple resistance levels from the price channel topside and 3 lines as far as the RSI is concerned. Eric Muaddith, Muaddith.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESS.